Hi, today we are making a tons of chocolate. So first stop is 2 cup rich unsweetened good quality cocoa powder with 1 cup diabetes, condensed milk. You can make your own condensed milk at home with sugar and milk, but I'm lazy so I have a canned condensed milk. Mix the cocoa powder with condensed milk, and if you feel like adding more, then you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons. And mix it until everyone got to clump together and never try to separate, like most of the celebrity couples. Now go nuts and add half cup nuts, maybe peanuts, almond, walnut, anything you are severely allergic to. So feel free to add anything. Okay, at this point it will be a little bit difficult to fold the chocolate. Add the chocolate into a greased bowl, cover with parchment paper, and please do not forget the parchment paper step. Level it up unlike your life with a spatula greased with oil so it does not stick to chocolate, and put in the fridge for 6 straight hours.
One eternity later.
After long, impatient 6 hours, here comes the treat. Unwrap it and use a sharp knife. Cut this giant block of chocolate into smaller multiple blocks of chocolate and give them a shape with your hands. And here is the homemade chocolate made with love and passion of nothing. Okay, it tastes like chocolate. It is chocolate, but for me, it's little bit chewy. Other than that, it's very good. It has only 2 ingredients, so I'm gonna give it 7.5 out of 10. Easy to make and chocolatey to taste. Okay, who does not love snacks made with entirely chocolate? So our next dish is made with 1 cup chocolate chunks. Melt it in the microwave and use 10 vanilla crackers. If you want more chocolatey, then you can use chocolate biscuits. After all, it's your dish. Do whatever you want. Crack them into some big and small chunks. Okay, the choco is melted nicely and finely. Transfer it into a big bowl. Add half of the biscuit chunks. We are gonna use the other half at the end with 150 grams peanuts or any other nuts. Make sure to roast them before adding because roasting really gives a salty roasted flavor. You are welcome for the information. Okay, give it a good mix. Add the other half of the biscuits, which I decided to munch on it, but fold everything into chocolate and make a chunky chocolatey bowl. It's time to assemble. Place a parchment paper on cutting board or any other straight tray and scoop them out on the tray. You can use a cooking mold to give them a little bit shape, but I'm just scooping them out. And finally, a little kiss of peanuts. And put them into fridge for 2 hours to settle them down. Okay, these are now my new favorite chocolate snacks. They are very nutty, chunky, and chocolatey. I'm gonna give it 9.5 out of 10. Very easy to make and chunky to taste. So, thank you. Bye.
Baby, you give me ice and fire.